Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G56 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. All we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. And if you've got the three buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon. Just tap on it, and here we've got the recents. You can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up, or you can close all of them just by tapping on clear all. Now we can go back, and as you can see there we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.